So this red car that we've acquired, it's one of the last Series 1 E-types, correct?
Correct.
So strangely, the late Series 1s, or 1.5s, had rocker switches on the dash, correct?
Correct.
So what's going on with that?
Again, what the problem is it's the transition period in the production, i.e. in the factory. So what they've done is they've brought out all these new bits of different choke knobs and things like that. But what they've said to themselves is, hold on a minute, we need to sell this stuff to the Americans first. Most left-hand drive E-types that went to America got all the goodies or the new bits on them, and the English cars got a bit here and a bit there. These are actually Series 2 eyebrows. The earlier version of these cars, the eyebrows are a lot shorter.
So they're a bit of a mishmash.
Well, which is great. Well, I find it very interesting. As anoraks, we've said that these cars are Series 1.5. If you look at the heritage certificates, they all say Series 1.
So one of the differences is the headlights.
It's the headlight.
So that was due to federal law?
Correct, yes, that's right. Well, again, because with the covered headlights, i.e. the glass over the top, it refracted the light too much, and basically the headlights were useless. So that's why they took, and it was dangerous if it had a crash and the glass would fly everywhere.
So not every Series 1.5 has the rocker switches?
It is a rare car. I think...
So why?
Well, because it's a Series 1, but transition in itself into a Series 2.
So what other aspects of this car make it a transition vehicle?
Right, well this one, the choke knob is Series 2, and the heater controls are Series 2. But the centre section is flick switches.
And how about the engine? Are there any changes in the engine?
Yes, there is, because on the later cars, obviously they started to fit the ribbed cam covers.
So this vehicle has the ribbed cam covers?
Ribbed cam covers, and it has the later type radiator and twin fan system, which really is much better than the Series 1.
It's been repainted red.
Unfortunately, yes.
But it was originally opalescent golden sand. That's on the heritage certificate?
Yeah, which is a stunning colour, absolutely beautiful colour.
That red upholstery, it's painted?
Yeah, but professionally painted, not just someone with a paintbrush, you know.
So what do you think you might do with the upholstery then?
Well, eventually, if I was to restore it, I would take it back to opalescent golden sand, i.e. body colour. The interior, which I think is phenomenal with opalescent golden sand, is red. So although it's been painted red, I would have it done again correctly.
And you'd work with the original leather?
No, probably get rid of it. No, just start all over again.
You said you're going to upgrade the brakes?
Upgrade the brakes.
So we had the discussion, why don't people want the original brakes on a Series 1 vehicle?
It's a bit silly because overall they work fairly well, but people want a bit more assuredness in the brakes. So either they go for aftermarket brakes or fit Series 2 brakes with different uprights and tie rods. Choose the right brake pad. I thought I chose a good brake pad, a good quality one, and the brakes felt very dead to me. I put a cheap set on. Well, I bought Borg & Beck. The brakes are phenomenal. So what they were doing with the left-hand drive cars, again, was in production on the later cars, and probably quite late cars, Series 1.5s, where they were putting steel wheels on them with hubcaps. Very rare it would have been for the English market, unless you actually specified.
You said also
these alloy wheels, which are the E-type alloy wheels, which are stunning. I find them fantastic. Better road holding than that. But you can't beat a chrome wire wheel.
So you have to have them re-chromed, right?
Waste of time. Waste of time. Might as well buy new wheels. It'll cost you as much or more to have them re-chromed.
So that's another tip. That's great. Thank you very much.
All right.